CrewAI Review. Is this agent legit? Well, CrewAI is an open source, multi-agent framework designed to let developers orchestrate intelligent teams of AI agents assigned to roles like researchers, data scientists, or marketer, built atop LangChain. It supports modular task management, process workflows, custom tool integration, and both cloud and self-hosted deployment. So its pros is it has collaborative multi-agent workflows. It also has a role-based customization and tool integrations. It even offers flexibility and transparency for a fully open source self-hosting options. And it's proven with the utility and the real scenarios. The cons is though, it has tough learning curve and debugging. There may be some setup issues and limited debugging tools. The performance and cost also has some overheads, which means it runs slowly if agents bump into errors or long prompt chains. They also have data telemetry concerns, where it collects usage telemetry by default, without options. And it lacks the benchmark metrics, so it's not ideal for production yet. So in conclusion, is it legit? Well, yes, it is legit and a powerful multi-agent framework, ideal for developers who want to build complex automated workflows, prefer open source flexibility, and are comfortable with Python and Dev tooling.